Man, I love that smell. I love the smell of burnt rubber early in the afternoon. Jeff here, Paint Over Spray Removal at Texas International Services. We got a 2010 Mustang. This is a bad little pony right here. It's got about 600 horses right now. It's got a blower on it. This car runs. Okay, we're going to remove the overspray off of it. We're going to apply this product here. It's called Quantum. This right here is the sealer product. And what we're going to do is we're going to clay the hood first. Then we're going to come back and apply the Quantum to it. Alright, so first we take our clay bar here. We've got our wax on here. We put our soap and water on here. And what we want to do is we want to clay panel by panel. Okay. These here stripes, you can clay right on them. You won't hurt them. It's not going to pull anything up. And on this particular car, he has some like road film, stuff like that. So what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to hit it with a buffer real quick. Just a light buff, nothing serious. And what that's going to do is take out any of the imperfections he has in the paint, which, like I said, is very, very light. I want to show you something on this piece right here. I'm going to condition this piece right here. Check this piece out, bro. Check that out after I polish it. You know, it put a little color back in it. Nice. It all helps. The light buff. Haven't done yet because we haven't put our Quantum on it yet. So we're going to take our Quantum here and we're going to use it quite a bit on the pad here. Quite a bit. That's a pretty good bit there. So we're going to use that more than you normally would use on anything else. Get a whole side. Alright, we're taking off the final residue of the Quantum here. This Mustang is a piece of glass. I mean, it really is. Final wipe off though. Oh yeah, look at that finish. This guy's going to love this Mustang. Oh my God. He is going to love this car. I also did the windshield wiper little package on it too. I polished his windshield wipers. And we put Quantum on those too. Alright. And I also polished this here front vent piece here. It was really dry, you know, from whatever water condensation, so I polished it. This entire piece right here has been buffed. This has all been buffed. This entire piece. I mean, look at that paint. The windshield wipers have been polished and quantumed, every piece of them. It looks good when you do all the little extras, you know? I like is the reflection that you get off of the corners and stuff. Watch this. Now this is my handprint on here, but we have quantum application on there. Leaves no handprint, none whatsoever. It is just perfect. I mean, that paint, not just the paint, but this here piece here, all that's been reworked. The entire hood looks 100% better. The front end, every piece of overspray has been removed off of the glass, all through here. All of it's been quantumed. The Cobra, all of it's been quantumed. Every piece of it is extremely glossy. Now I purposely left the back here dirty like this because now we're going to clean the sides. Look at that. All right. We're going to now clay this. Automagic clay bar. This car's got some light scratches in it, you know, from washing it and everything. So I'm going to put a light buff on it, you know. Got some brake dust and such too from, you know, getting on them brakes. Alright, now we've got the overspray off, and now what we're going to do, before we put the quantum on it, we're going to have to make sure we don't have any swirls in it. Alright, we've got the side done here. Look at that quarter panel. That is perfect right there, friends. Like I said, it's got some scratches and stuff from just doing body washing it and stuff like that. We got the top done also. We quantumed it, removed the overspray, polished the stripes. Alright, now we're going to look at the door here. Look at that finish. That is a perfect glass finish. I got my buddy standing by the door over there. That's a perfect glass finish. This is a 2010 Ford Mustang Shelby, over 600 horses. This car's got 500 horses just from the factory. Look at that finish. Perfect finish on that quarter panel. I've polished it because she had a few scratches here and there. We did the hood. Look at that hood. You can't ask for no better than that. That is perfect. That quantum is a for real product. It's awesome. It works great. I mean, there's your results right there. This is a black Ford Mustang. Had industrial paint overspray on it. And it is perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the back here and we're going to polish these tail lights and all the pinstriping, this whole area, all that's going to get polished. more time. Hey, I'm gonna go to the rear. Hit it one more time. Wow. Listen to that. That's a Ford right there, baby. Okay, for you guys in the Camaro 2012, there's your Ford Mustang right there. You got some people coming by here. That is the Ford Cobra GT 500 right there. Check it out.